back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Wolf, and my name is Wolf. Let's get some quick paintball action for you.
If you see the gillies, call them out.
We are at Wasaga Beach.
Or that. Oh. That's allowed to.
Alabaster Slims Game. A lot of fun. I'm going mag fed today, 20 round magazines. Up against a whole bunch of other mag fed ballers. So this is essentially team elimination. Not too much foliage. I think that's Slim right there. I'm going to move up as far as I can on the right flank.
12 o'clock, 200 yards.
See if I can stop these guys from taking us. I am using a combination. Oops, sorry. Communication is key.
My right!
Communication is everything. So you can see us fall. Hardly any plants around. But just enough plants to screw up my aim. Trust me, watch. It's so frustrating. This guy's over here. Need to control that breathing wolf. Make sure it's on semi-auto instead of 3-round burst for now. Oh, shield just joined that guy.
Three on my mound! Three on my mound! Right in front of me!
Two guys in that bunker. No spraying and praying. Now, there is a Riot shield over there. And it's very difficult to play against these things. Oh, that damn plant! Oh, a little low, a little higher, come on. Left. Oh, the tree's in the way. So close! It's frustrating. But that's fun. Shield is moving.
Shield moving right!
See that? Oh, did you see that bounce?
Shield moving right!
Adjust. Adjust. So,
Shield
as you can,
right!
it's hard to see. The shield has got a great shot on me, but I try hitting his hand. No luck, but I came close. Adjust to reload. So I'm not going to stay in the same position to reload, because that would give that shield enough time to hit me. Dang!
Come on, die.
So close. Another guy on the left. See, I'm trying to get between all of these trees. But if I'm not careful, they're gonna overtake me soon. Getting more and more dangerous. Reload.
Reloading.
Now, these are the, I was using the new FID 20 round continuous magazines. After these, I'm going to be using the CF20 magazines by Planet Eclipse. Look at this. I thought I hit this guy. I thought I hit him, but I didn't.
Is that a hit?
Try again. Jesus. I'm not hitting
Is
this guy.
that a hit?
Or am I? Reload. Now, I did something very dumb. After the last game, I didn't air up. And now I ran out of air. And I'm upset. Check to make sure it's not a gun malfunction.
A dead gun. Okay, I got my shield on my right.
So completely out of air, which was stupid.
I'm gonna do something stupid.
But
Hey, watch where I run, okay? Where are you going? I got no ammo, I'm going straight there. I'm gonna scare them. Moving now.
see if I can draw their fire for my... Let them shoot at me. I get taken out. But hopefully that helps my team. But hey, please subscribe, hit that like button. YouTube likes the likes. And click the bell. Also, if you want to get some wicked tactical gear, go to LA Police Gear. Get my 14% off code.